Briana here with Delphi at DXC. Today, I'm speaking with Wendy Townsend, practice partner and EAM leader with DXC's consulting group. Welcome, Wendy. What trends are you seeing with EAM this year?
Hi, Briana. Thank you for having me. Predictive maintenance continues to be a prominent trend in 2023. Predictive maintenance is when work is performed before failure occurs. It reduces unnecessary work and shortens downtime. It can save companies an estimated 10 to 15% on maintenance costs. In addition to the EAM system, predictive maintenance requires things like the Internet of Things, data analytics, artificial intelligence, cloud hosting, and integrations.
What else are you seeing in the EAM space?
We're seeing companies mature their asset management capabilities. If they started with asset tracking and work orders, they can now conduct continuous improvement activities like updating and optimizing maintenance plans and improving maintenance operations. We're also seeing companies breaking down information silos. Data is being exchanged more freely, and stakeholders across the company are benefiting from EAM data. For example, data about asset failures and part utilization is important for asset investment planning, spare parts management, and improving the design of the next generation of equipment.
Thanks, Wendy. What outcomes are our clients seeing as the results of these trends?
Companies that continue to mature and embrace technology will benefit from increased production or performance, quality, equipment reliability, and regulatory compliance, and reduced maintenance costs, downtime, unnecessary maintenance, defects, and safety incidents. The ultimate financial outcomes are cost savings and increased revenue.
So, Wendy, how do you and your team help companies on their EAM journey?
DXC has experience with multiple ERP and EAM systems, so we can help with the selection of a new EAM system, advise on existing systems, business processes, integrations, and data analytics, implement EAM systems, perform integrations with ERP, IoT, MES, and among other things, and manage complex EAM implementation projects.
Thank you for joining me, Wendy, and sharing trends on EAM and how our clients can lower maintenance costs and improve savings. See you all soon on Delphi at DXC.